Okay. We have to clean this before we print using the camp fuel. Camp fuel is good because it also evaporates very quickly. Now, we print again.
I'm just gonna.
Same kind of paper. Before I start, I always scratch it with my thumbnail, just to see which side is which, to make sure. You see there's a mark where I scratched with my thumbnail?
Hang on. A little zoom here.
And the other side doesn't have as much of a mark. The side that marks goes to the running surface. Two pieces of masking tape to hold it down. I guess I shouldn't be talking when I'm off camera, eh? Who knows? Think anybody's gonna watch this?
I don't know.
Should have bought some new masking tape. Pull it across the running surface tight. Are we still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And we do it again. Across. 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 Until we get a really well-defined circle. And careful not to roll off the edge of the rock or the running surface. Just like that. Peel the tape off. And there's our running surface. And we compare. You see how much wider we've got. So we go back and grab our digital micrometer. Set 2 millimeters. And we measure that. And 6 turns on 60 got us to 6.26 millimeters. And that's identical almost to ours out on the ice. Is that what that looks like? Maybe that's a little bit more, eh? Maybe more like 6.9 or 7. That would be a fast rock now. Is it equal all the way around? Looks like it. Very close. Seven millimeters. That would be a fast rock. Maybe too fast. So if it's too fast, what do? We got to make them smaller, right? And we use a thing called a relief table. And that's over here.